Hi there, I'm Christina Ciceron of Ciceron Law Community Association Counsel. Welcome to this month's edition of Legal News that you can use. This month we are talking about smoking regulations and secondhand smoke violations in California homeowners associations. I'm giving you some starting points for consideration at your HOA. I will tell you this has become an increasingly complex topic, and I highly suggest that you engage your legal counsel to help you determine whether or not you should restate your governing documents to address smoking and to help your association establish a secondhand smoke policy for handling secondhand smoke violations. The U.S. Surgeon General has officially dubbed smoking as both toxic and dangerous and hazardous to one's health. Couple that with the fact that there is no constitutional right to smoke, and you have an issue that has become too hot to handle for both community managers and members of the board. Courts in California have started to hold managers and board members liable for not enforcing smoking regulations or for not having a secondhand smoke policy at a homeowners association. The main takeaway I want you to have for today is that doing nothing is definitely not the best option. If you have homeowners come to the association and complain about secondhand smoke from a neighbor, you should get involved. I know I normally tell you not to get involved in neighbor-to-neighbor disputes, but if it is a smoking violation, you absolutely want to have a secondhand smoke policy in place for handling that issue. Many counties in California do not have laws prohibiting smoking inside dwellings or condominiums, but California does have a law prohibiting smoking in the workplace. That means that you should likely prohibit smoking in the common area of your association if your association has employees on site, like an on-site manager or a maintenance staff. You should determine whether or not you need to establish a secondhand smoke policy at your association. Associations most in need of a secondhand smoke policy are those that have shared walls or shared ventilation between the units. So, if you are a high-rise or an attached condominium or townhome community, I highly suggest that you work quickly to establish a secondhand smoke policy so that you're prepared for when these types of situations come up at your association. Next month, we are going to continue with this topic and talk on medicinal marijuana in HOAs. That's another hot topic, and we will definitely talk about that next month. Please remember to like our YouTube channel, leave us some feedback down below about what topics you'd like us to address next month. You can always find us on Facebook, and I'm always available to answer legal questions on this topic or any question you may have. Until next time, welcome to this month's edition of Legal News that you can use. I'm Christina Ciceron of Ciceron Law Community Association Counsel. This month, we're discussing FHA and VA certification requirements for California homeowners associations.